Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel, and this is what I've been doing, and check it out. Okay, so this is going to be another loom knit hat. It's orange and yellow, so I'm just going to share with you. I started the brim, and I'm working my way down. So this is one of my projects that I'm doing, and then this is my new project that I'm going to start soon, and it's a tool called Zippy Loom, and I actually bought the master set, so everything is in this bag. I took it out of the box, but I put it in this plastic bag, and they're pretty big sizes too. Um, Actually, this can just make a really good size scarf. And in this book, because I have the master, I have all the tools that I need in this book. I can make the hats. I can make big scarves, and this is a jumbo loom, so, and you can connect it. There's ways, there's different ways how you can connect. You can make square, rectangle, just make a long loom, but this four is just good enough to make a really good size scarf. So you can actually buy just a single one like this at Hobby Lobby. If you go to Hobby Lobby store, you can actually get that. And the yarn I'm going to use to make a scarf, it will be this. So it's thick, and I actually got it from the baby bee, and it's really soft. So I will try this, and when it's done, I'm going to share with you how it all came out. This is the tool you use, and I've got everything in here, the corners. I mean, I decided to go on Amazon to buy all of this, so I got the corners, the connectors, I got everything. If I wanted to make a big giant blanket, I guess I can, or Afghan. But anyway, thank you for stopping by at my crochet channel. Check out my latest shorts video. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other channel, Lottie Ann Silvis. And take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.